equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a small screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a clean cloth. First, power off your Surface Book. Flip it over and locate the screws on the back of the keyboard. Carefully remove these screws using your screwdriver. Keep them safe for reassembly. Next, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the keyboard cover. Be cautious to avoid damaging any clips. Once the cover is off, you'll see the battery. Disconnect the old battery by gently pulling the connector away. Now, take your new battery and connect it securely. Before sealing everything up, take a moment to clean the internal components with a soft cloth. This helps maintain performance. Reattach the keyboard cover, ensuring all clips are secure. Replace the screws you removed earlier. Finally, power on your Surface Book and check if the keyboard is functioning properly. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, pickup and delivery at your home, and you'll receive a quote before repair. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.